5 banks that approve brand a new LLC without proof of income. 1. Introduction to private credit structuring. The American credit system, being entirely debt-based, offers expansive opportunities for new business entities, particularly limited liability companies, LLCs, to acquire credit without the requirement of personal income verification. Private structuring allows for financial mobility, protection from personal liability, and strategic access to funding mechanisms generally untapped by traditional methods. The objective of this report is to identify and evaluate 5 financial institutions that offer credit products to newly formed LLCs without demanding income documentation. Footnote: Private credit structuring decouples personal liability from business operations, maximizing access to funding. 2. Chase Bank, high credit lines with Tier 1 optimization. Chase Bank offers one of the most robust portfolios for newly established LLCs, including the Chase Inc. Business Preferred Card, which provides lines of credit up to $50,000. Approval is contingent not on income but on profile optimization, including a professional website, a verifiable business address, a domain-based email, and active social media presence. Additionally, building trust via Tier 1 vendor accounts, for example, Uline, Sam's Club, enhances underwriting outcomes. Notably, Chase offers multiple business card products with no annual fee and competitive reward structures, making it an ideal launch point. Footnote: Chase's approval hinges more on legitimacy signaling and trade references than personal income proof. 3. Bank of America, accessible multi-card strategy. Bank of America mirrors Chase in its approach by issuing business credit cards without requiring tax returns or proof of income. Through a compliant business trust or LLC with an IN and supporting trust documents, clients can access multiple lines simultaneously. The Bank of America Business Advantage Suite includes cash reward cards with no annual fee and 3% cashback categories, which can be layered across multiple applications. This method creates diversified liquidity without the typical credit gatekeeping. Footnote: Bank of America supports multi-card stacking for eligible LLCs operating under trust-based business structures. 4. PNC Bank, relationship-driven high-limit approvals. PNC Bank distinguishes itself by prioritizing relationship banking. Once a profile is optimized and trade lines are in place, applicants can qualify for up to $100,000 in business credit, notably through its Visa Signature Cash Rewards card. With limited documentation, approvals rely on established banking behavior, spend projections, and profile presentation. The bank offers 3% cashback during the first year and 1.5% thereafter, terms that compete favorably with the largest issuers. Footnote: PNC leverages relationship banking models, enabling high-limit cards with minimal documentation. 5. Truist Bank, high cashback and zero APR incentives. Truist provides aggressive reward structures for new LLCs, with 3 principal products offering 3% cashback in various categories and up to 12 months of 0% April with $0 annual fees on some cards and minimal underwriting barriers. Truist has emerged as a viable bank for early-stage entrepreneurs in the private sector. Profile optimization and vendor tier references remain prerequisites, though no income statements or tax returns are required. Footnote: Truist's competitive offers provide favorable terms without requiring income disclosure from the applicant. 6. U.S. Bank, streamlined access and high-value offers. U.S. Bank offers the lowest entry threshold among the 5 institutions. With products like the Altitude Business Card and Triple Cash Rewards Visa, clients can access up to $75,000 in credit without submitting personal financials. U.S. Bank's strategic differentiator is the ease of application and high bonus point incentives, ranging from 60,000 to 75,000 points for moderate spending thresholds. Their Platinum product also features a 12-month 0% APR, making it ideal for large purchases or debt leverage plays. Footnote: U.S. Bank offers minimal friction access to business credit, with robust incentives and low qualification barriers. 7. Strategic takeaways. Private means leverage without liability. Operating in the private sector via trusts or unincorporated associations enables entrepreneurs to mitigate liability while maximizing funding. These 5 banks provide significant access to credit, rewards, and business infrastructure without traditional hurdles like income verification. Each bank's offerings can be stacked and optimized to create a multi-line credit matrix, allowing entrepreneurs to launch or scale operations with minimal risk. Footnote: operating in the private allows legal control of funding vehicles without exposing personal assets to liability.